In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in PandaDoc. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on templates over here on the left, and then you want to go to my templates, which is the first option, okay? Now, in here, you can go and click on plus template up top right, and then it's going to basically start loading your options, and in here, you'll be able to create and build your template. So, of course, over here, you could either upload a file, or here it says start from a template. So you want to click on my templates over here, and you can just go ahead and click on blank document. Okay, now whenever you do this, it's going to give you a blank document, and then in here, there we go, you'll be able to essentially edit your template and design it. So click on edit template over here, and there we go, this is going to be your template. Okay, so you can just start designing it, building whatever you want. You can add fields on here like that. You could go and manage roles. You can see there's like a bunch of different things you can add on, and then whenever you're ready, you can just of course click on save changes top right, and that's basically going to save the changes to your template, and you can then use that template whenever you want. Okay, so it's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.